name is Gino Walsh, Executive Manager of Operations for Qvale Auto Group, and I want to really thank you for all coming out. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It all comes back to being connected to the community and also being involved and participating when other people need some help. So our hurricane relief event, we tied it together with the grand opening. It starts now, right, October 8th, and we're gonna do a campaign for the American Red Cross. It's gonna go directly to the Hurricane Ian Relief Fund. It starts now, and we have a really awesome start to it, right? And we're gonna go over that in a short minute. But every car that's purchased from October 8th to November 12th, when we have our rebrand opening of Volkswagen Brandon, we will be contributing money for every single car deal. So we're hoping to raise over $100,000 for all the victims of Hurricane Ian. And Connor, why don't we start off with what we're going to do first, right? Let's listen. We said we want to raise $100,000. Here you go.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Connor Qvale from Qvale Auto Group. To kick off what Gino was just talking about, raising money for the hurricane relief and everything, the devastation that Ian brought upon the West Coast border, we'd like to donate to the American Red Cross $50,000.
Wow!
As a starting point for us to be able to give back to the community.
All right, so the giving doesn't stop here, right, guys? The giving doesn't stop here because if you go to our website, Alfa Romeo St. Pete or Maserati St. Pete, you're going to see a place where you can donate directly to the fund and participate in helping us raise over $100,000 for the victims of the Southwest Florida, and the money is going to go directly to the American Red Cross for Hurricane Relief.
Hi, this is John DeValero with an important message from the Qvale Auto Group. Recently, Hurricane Ian had a devastating impact on our great state of Florida and beyond. It's times like these that you realize how important friends, family, a community, and leadership can be. The Qvale Auto Group may be newer to the greater Tampa Bay, Lakeland area, but we have a long, successful history in automotive. We have a family business, and our success is driven by our customers and the great communities we serve. We care about our communities and have decided that in these challenging times, we want you to know we stand side by side with you as we rebuild together in the home we love. Accordingly, the Qvale Auto Group is running a limited event where we will donate to the Red Cross for Hurricane Ian relief for every vehicle sold. Between October 8th and November 12th, 2022, the Qvale Auto Group will donate $100 for every car sold, and we will have additional donations from the Qvale Auto Group to be announced, including the $50,000 donation announced in this video. Please contact QAG dealerships for exact details. Whether you have ever bought or serviced a vehicle with us or not at the Qvale Auto Group, at Audi Lakeland, Brandon VW, or Alfa Romeo Maserati St. Petersburg, we want you to know we are with you, Florida. We support you and our communities. Thank you for being there for us, and we are glad to be here for you, with you. We are in this together. It is an honor to serve you and our community. Thank you, and we look forward to rebuilding with you. Sincerely, the Qvale Auto Group.